Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku. A medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, July the 21st, 2021. And this week the summer holidays is already started. So the publisher has also changed the extra Sudokus, the additional, but we will see this later. But first we will solve this medium. This will be number 3128. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the number 8 in this row? Third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 place for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. All right. All right. So we have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 place for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 8. All right. Well, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 4, the 3, and the 5. We see the 4, 3, and the 5 in this row. So no 4 and the 3 and the 5 in those 3 boxes. The 4 and the 3 and the 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 4, 3, and the 5. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? 4, 3, and the 5. The other numbers should be the 2, the 9, and the 7. 2, 9, 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 9, 7. Let me mark those boxes. 9, 7, 2. So the other 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. And let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 9. I've marked this box with 9 or a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 9. All right. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. Are missing 2 and the 7. Okay. Three, 5, 3, 5, 6. All Alright. So we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7, okay. I cannot continue with the 7. 9, 9, okay. 3, 5, and 4. 3, 5, and 4. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3, 3. 5, 5. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We see here another 4 there, so no 4 here. The only two places for the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. I've marked those two boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Alright. Then 2 and 7, 1 and 6. Let me think. Let me think. 4 missing numbers in this column, middle column. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. And now I cannot continue with the 3. Well, not true. We have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about Let me see. 1, 2. These two numbers in this row, those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9 are missing. 2 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and 2 are missing in this big square. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here we have a pair, 1 and a 2. So what is the other 2 numbers in this column? Those missing numbers here are the missing number 6 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. Again, we have a pair. Here also a pair, there a pair, and there a pair. All right. Okay. So 1 number left in this row. Here we have 2 and a 7. So 1 box left in this row should be the 1. Alright, 1 box left in the middle column for the number 6. Yes, 6 is missing in the middle column. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 number left in the third column for the number 6. Okay. 6 in the first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between. The second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 9 are missing. 7 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes and there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Finished in 13 minutes, and I'm very well pleased with the time because for a 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 13 minutes. So I'm very well pleased. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Just go down and search in below for the PDF file link. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you later on with the third regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.